possible waterspout.
From 13 nautical miles west of Crane Beach to 15 nautical miles northwest of Little Egg Inlet to 17 nautical miles northwest of Wowie, moving east at 30 knots. Hazard, waterspouts, wind gusts to nearly 50 knots, and small hail. Source, radar. Impact, waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas.
Let's go.
Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations in the include Ocean Gate, Lake Garden Gatehouse Reef, Little Lake Ocean Reef, Silvering Reef, Harvey Cedar, South Barnegat Light, Crossing Reef, Silvering, Harvey Cedars, Fort William, Long Pleasant Beach, and Little Lake Light, North Reef, Safe Harbor and Safe Level Shark River Reef, Point Pleasant Beach, and Little Lake Inlet. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes.
Let's go.
Here is the forecast for the New York City metropolitan area. Heat advisory remains in effect until 8 p.m. this evening. Tonight, showers and thunderstorms likely. Some thunderstorms may produce gusty winds and heavy rainfall this evening. Lows in the mid-70s. Southwest winds 15 to 20 miles per hour. Gusts up to 30 miles per hour this evening. Chance of rain 70%. Monday, partly sunny. A slight chance of showers and thunderstorms in the morning. Highs in the mid-80s. West winds 15 to 20 miles per hour. Chance of rain 20%. The coastal water...